I banded my hair right there. And then I put 4 braids all the way down on each side. Hey Google, set a timer for 2 minutes.
2 minutes, starting now.
Be really careful when you're doing this because it's really hot. And I say 2 minutes because 2 minutes just feels like an efficient amount of time to get these curls popping. All right. Hey Google, stop the timer. Very careful. Whew. Squeezing the water out with the towel as I pull my hair out, making sure I squeeze the water out. Now I'm gonna let the braids cool off, and in the meantime, I'm gonna do my makeup. My makeup is done, and I just wanna give you guys the deets on what I'm wearing first off. On my lips, it's ColourPop. ColourPop has really been winning my heart lately. The color is called Most Likely To, and it's so pretty, as you can see. On my face, not the foundation. The foundation is just a Maybelline matte mousse, Dream Matte Mousse. So I just applied that, and then on my, as blush, I used ColourPop's Retrograde, So Retrograde blush. I used it on my cheeks. I also used it on my lid. I promise you guys, I am going to be doing a makeup video very soon, but I just wanted to get this hair stuff out of the way because if I do a makeup video, then you guys will be asking about hair, and if I didn't film it, then you guys know the drill. I just got to get this taken care of first, and then this coming week, makeup for sure. Okay, so let's take these braids down.